Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by gathering the essentials. If you want a true permanent effect, enable cheats and get a repeating command block, otherwise brew night vision potions. Nether wart plus golden carrot, then add redstone to extend. Once done, convert some into splash potions and set up a dispenser and simple redstone clock to automate reapplication. Make sure the dispenser faces where you stand and holds several extended splash night vision potions. This starts the process without pausing gameplay. Next, you implement the automation. For the cheat route, place a repeating command block and enter slash effect give it p night vision 999,999 0 true. Set it to repeat and always active. This reassigns the effect nonstop without particles. For survival, build a redstone clock powering a dispenser loaded with splash night vision potions. Tune the pulse to reapply before the potion wears off, usually 1 to 3 minutes depending on extended duration. Once done, make sure you finally verify and refine. Test by stepping away or waiting longer than the default potion time to confirm you still have night vision. If not, increase interval frequency or use extended potions to reduce triggers. Make sure the command block is repeat and always active, or that your redstone clock is stable and the dispenser contains splash potions only. If the effect still fails, double-check selectors, world cheats, and that armor or mods aren't removing effects. Fix those and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.